Well, our coverage at Invest Karnataka 2025 continues right here on Newsx. And if you're wondering how those packets there of chips and biscuits and namkeen can turn into this, well, which can be used for buildings, communities, cold storages and road barriers. Well, we are going to tell you how, because joining us are the co-founders of UI, Paul, Sushma and Prine. And they, of course, have come up with UI, something unique, something intelligence, which is why they've named it UI, Unique Intelligence. And they're going to tell us how this actually works. So why doesn't my video journalist show you that? And you explain us what's the process.
Bring you to the top.
Paul.
Yeah. So these are the packages which are made of multi-layer laminated plastic layers. So these packages do not get recycled because there are multiple materials in that. So that material is shredded and made into thermal sheets. These sheets are then converted into a structurally integrated panel. So with this structurally integrated panel, we are building walls of houses. So if you look, if the camera can focus here on the bricks, that will help. So the construction of the buildings in olden times was with mud bricks. It graduated into this red cooked oven cooked bricks, went to this cement or a concrete block once, and now we are saying you could shift off into panels, construction panels which are constructed by us using plastic waste.
Now you can tell us, of course, about, so from this, how does it turn to this?
So
at the same thing.
What we have shown here is that how a panel, once a wall is made, the entire building can be dismantled and made into another building back again. And that's why this is a completely circular product. Building a large building, communities out of this will basically bring the end to construction waste.
Recycling, of course, waste. You're obviously looking to eliminate waste and use that for construction. How's the response been? Is it in the market?
Yes, it's in the market. We are still early. Currently, we're getting a lot of interest from people who are green conscious. They seem to be the people who are the early adopters of the technology. We look forward to work with them first, finish our first phase, and then we are hoping that the other contractors and architects and builders will come forward.
Why don't you explain us this?
This simply shows where we are now with the MLP plastic waste, which is ending up in the ocean.
Rivers and in our country, like we've seen the issue of air pollution earlier. Now water pollution is also being talked about in Delhi recently in the elections as well.
Correct, and dust pollution with construction. So this eliminates all of that. Firstly, we're using recycled material, which are currently not being recycled. That's why it's ending up in oceans. Our future is showing that it's a waterproof material. Why don't we use it for construction instead? And that saves everything.
This is an example of how it finally turns out over here. And this is headquartered out of Karnataka, is that correct? So you're headquartered out of Bangalore?
Yes, it's headquartered out of Bangalore. This is an example of how a panel comes together. It's modular. It's a product that then comes and then just gets fastened together. So the entire house is put together just like an aircraft is put together, how you have fasteners. So this is not glued like the way you use cement and use a powder to make a home, whereas this is now fastened. So because of which it's earthquake resistant. So if the ground shakes, you don't have pieces.
How is the response been at Invest Karnataka 2025?
It's been excellent. A lot of people who have plans to build something, they have come here, they found the materials. Some of the investors also came in. They wanted to know what are the terms of investment that we would be interested in. And they were amazed because this is something which has never been seen anywhere else in the world.
So how long back did you found this?
About 2.5 years back, we formed our company.
Interesting, ventures, of course, being seen here at Invest Karnataka. We'll continue this coverage for now, though. Thank you all very much and wishing you all the best.
Thank you.
With journalist Venkatesh Uday Pratap Singh in Bengaluru for Newsx.
For more such videos, subscribe to the Newsx YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.